Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a huge spring break shopping spree haul for you guys. I'm really excited about this one. I got like 3 packages in the mail today, so it's gonna be kind of like unboxing style, but then I also have some packages and things that I've already used and worn. So yeah, this is everything that I have bought within the past couple of weeks. I got some stuff from Sephora, Goose, Revolve, Free People, Urban, Hope Boutique, Lulu, and Frankies Bikinis. So if you guys are excited for this video, then just keep watching. So before we get into today's video, I want to talk really quickly about Dossier. You guys know the drill. I love them so much. I work with them a lot because I truly use their products and I'm literally obsessed with them. I have a whole Dossier perfume collection in my bedroom closet and it's like my baby. Like I have so many, I'm literally obsessed. So if you guys don't know what Dossier is, they are a fragrance website that replicates designer inspired fragrances for a fraction of the cost, and they also have free 30-day returns. So they're amazing. They have so many different brands. So I do have a discount code. It is HannahVictoria10 for 10% off your order. I'll have it in the description box along with a link to Dossier's website if you guys want to check them out. So this first one that I have is Jo Malone's Peony and Blush Suede Cologne. The Dossier name is Floral Berries. So I'm gonna spray it. I'm really excited. I don't think I've tried a lot from Jo Malone. I definitely smell the peony, but I love it. It's very fresh. Also smell the berries. I like this one. All right, next one that I have is, I think I already have this one actually. It's called Woody Sandalwood and it's inspired by Le Labo Santal 33. Yeah, I already have this one, so I'll probably gift this to a friend of mine. Yep. Smells so good. So if you guys want to check Dossier out, I will have a link in the description. Also, don't forget to use my discount code HannahVictoria10 for 10% off your order. Thank you to Dossier for partnering with me on this video. And without further ado, let's get into the rest of the haul. So I do want to mention that I did get a new camera. The viewfinder is off to the side. I'm not looking at it. I'm trying not to, but if you catch me looking to the side, that's what I'm looking at. I hope the quality's good. I hope the background is centered because in the viewfinder it's showing that I'm not centered, but the camera looks pretty centered. So I'm so sorry if there's any technical difficulties. This is actually my first time filming a sit down video with this camera. So I will have to adjust and such. I feel kind of low. Okay, there we go. Alrighty, I think I'm gonna get all the items that I've already used or have had for a while out of the way, and then I'll do the unboxing at the end because that's what I'm most excited about. I guess we'll talk really quickly about some clothing items that I have tried the last couple of weeks. I only have like 4 items because you guys know I'm obsessed with Lululemon. So yeah, I haven't been buying a lot of clothes that aren't Lulu, but all right, so first off, I have to shout out my friend's boutique. It's called Hope Boutique. I have a discount code. It's Tori15 for 15% off your order. I'll have a link in the description, but she's amazing. I talk about her boutique all the time, so nothing new here, but I'm obsessed with the 2 items that I got. Also, if my voice sounds raspy, I had a crazy weekend, so it's kind of why I'm like losing my voice. Anyway, so I got 2 dresses. I actually wore this for my best friend's birthday dinner this past weekend. Super cute. It's just like a pink ruched dress and it's got a little silver ring in the middle. I'm obsessed. It fit really well. It's in a size small. I'll have it linked down below. It's so cute and it was really flattering. And then this one is my favorite ever. I think she sold this out twice already, but she said that it would restock in May. So I'll keep you guys updated on like when it's gonna restock and stuff on my channel, but it's called the Rebel Roots Rhinestone Bodycon dress and I got this in a small. It is stunning. Like the camera's not even doing it justice. Like I'm literally obsessed with it. And I texted her when I saw this on her Instagram and I was like, girl, I need this dress. I will do whatever it takes to get it. And she got it for me. So thank you so much, Hope. Like it is beautiful. And I feel so bad because it sold out twice. And like, I feel bad because I took one of them. Yeah, anyways, I'm obsessed. So you guys definitely need to check out her boutique. I think she's launching more rhinestone dresses soon. So I'll probably get another one because I'm obsessed. All right, I got one item from Urban. I would have kept like the packaging and stuff, but I actually vlogged me opening this and then didn't end up posting the vlog because it was on my old camera, and my old camera, the quality was getting really bad. I don't know what was going on. So I ended up not posting that vlog. But yeah, I just have this little corset top that went viral on TikTok, you guys. I don't even know what it's called, but it's been in and out of stock for like so long. Like it just keeps going out of stock. But I got it in black and I got it in a medium, and I'm never a medium, like ever. I'm always an extra small or small. So that just shows that this does run very small. So I definitely would size up. I'm a 32C for reference. It's super cute. I wore it in my Instagram picture. So I'll throw that up on the screen. Follow me on Instagram, but super cute. I got a lot of compliments on it the night that I wore it. So I also got this little jacket. This is from Free People. Don't know what it's called. I actually got it from my local Belk. I've worn this so much. It is so comfortable. I love the color, and I'm definitely bringing this with me on spring break because I'm going to Wyoming. So obviously it's like colder, but so cute. It really just spices up like any little outfit. I love the shade. You guys know pink is my favorite color, and this jacket was really popular last year, I believe, and I always wanted it, but I never got it. I think I kind of forgot about it, and then I saw it at my local Belk and I snagged it, but I got it in a size small. Normally I'm an extra small in Free People, but they didn't have one. But this one fits really, really well. I am obsessed. Okay, so from Revolve, I got a few things. I got some skincare items, some shoes, and some luggage that I have to go get because I forgot. So I'll go get that in a second. But I got a new pair of golden gooses. I got these off of Revolve, obviously. Came with a little dust bag. I saw these on Revolve, and they were, I guess, new to Revolve. And I fell in love with them, so I bought them. But I know golden gooses aren't everybody's cup of tea. They weren't really mine either until I tried some on, and now they're literally all I wear because they're so easy to get on. You just slide your foot in and they're very comfortable, but they are annoying to break in. At least these ones are. But I have a pair of the Superstar ones, I believe, but these are called the Stardan sneakers, and yes, they're dirty. They're made like that. But I just got the black and white ones. They're so sick. I love the gold. Oh, I love these so, so much. I wear my black and white Dunk Lows all the time. And so I felt like I was like over wearing them so much. So I decided to get another black and white shoe that weren't my Nike Dunk Lows. So that's why I got these, but I've already worn them like so many times. I actually wore them this weekend to a bar, and I see that there's drink spillage all over them. So I need to clean them, but super cute. I'm literally obsessed. I'll have them linked down below. I don't really know the difference between the Stardan and then the Superstars, I think is what I have. I think the Superstars are a little bit lower, but yeah, these are the ones that I got. I'm literally obsessed. Also from Revolve, I got two things from Skin Gym because I've been really into like self-care and like facial tools and even face masks. I actually got some Loops face mask from Revolve. I unboxed them in my latest vlog, so I'll have that link down below. Those are the best, like literally obsessed, but I'm not gonna show them because I already showed them on my channel. But anyways, I've been obsessed with like self-care, stuff like that. So I saw a lot of people talking about these. I got the Face Sculptor Beauty Roller, and then I got the stainless steel gua sha. So here's the beauty roller. I don't have any makeup on, so I can do this, but you just go like this. I don't really know. I like it though. It feels really good because I keep it in my skincare fridge. And then this is the gua sha. I heard the stainless steel one is like easier to clean and it's like antibacterial. I don't know. So I do have like a regular gua sha, but then I got this one and I really like it. I think I like it better. I don't know why, but I'm obsessed. So those are my two new beauty items, facial tools, I don't know. So I also got a new carry-on luggage from the brand Beis. I got it on Revolve. I got it in the beige color. I'll insert a picture because it's currently in one of my closets and it's kind of hard to get to, and I don't really feel the need to like bring it on and show you guys. I'll just insert a picture. In my last shopping spree collective haul, I mentioned that I got the Beis little weekender tote and then a makeup toiletry bag thing, and a lot of you guys were saying that their luggage is great, and I had been eyeing their carry-on. So I got the carry-on. I'm obsessed. It's really cool. It has a lot of really unique features. It's got like a purse strap or like a bag holder, and then the weekender tote that I have has a little slot so that you can put it on the handle. So I don't know. I've been traveling a lot recently, ever since we got our house in Wyoming. So I thought that it'd be a good investment. And I really, really like the quality of it and the way that it looks and how it matches my little weekender tote. And I don't know, like before I feel like I was really impractical with my luggage situation. Like I would carry my Louis Vuitton Neverfull little tote and then my Louis Vuitton Keep All 55 bag. And those are just like, I don't know, kind of impractical for long distance travel in my opinion, because the Keep All gets so heavy, and then my Neverfull, like it doesn't zip, and I get paranoid that my stuff's gonna fall out. Unless I'm going on like a very short trip and I don't have any connecting flights, I'm not gonna be using my Louis Vuitton Neverfull for like airplane travel right now. So I've kind of switched to a more practical approach, and I'm really excited because yeah, the Louis Vuitton luggage is cute, but I feel like the base is a little bit more practical. So I'll keep you guys updated on how I like my new base. All right, so I have 2 packages right here to open, and then I have a Sephora package that I'm really excited about. All right, so this is from Frankies Bikinis. I actually ordered this a while ago. I think I mentioned my other bathing suits that I got from Frankies in my last shopping spree haul. So go check that out if you guys want to see. I think I got 2 different sets. Really cute. So I actually ordered this one when I ordered the other bikinis, but this one was on back order for good reason. If you guys know the show Euphoria, it's literally been my favorite show since it came out. Like I was one of the OG like viewers. I'm obsessed with the show. This bathing suit is from the iconic Cassie hot tub scene. So I'll throw up a picture of Cassie wearing it. But I had to get it, and I heard like 600 people were on the wait list for it. So I finally got my hands on it. It's called the Gemma one piece, and it's in pink. They also have it in black, but it's super cute. I'm literally obsessed. I got this in a size small because they said that Cassie was wearing an extra small, but her boobs are like popping out of it, and I don't really want mine to be like that. So we'll see, hopefully it fits. But yeah, usually I get a medium in tops from Frankies. I just had to get it because I love Euphoria, and it was such an iconic scene. So from Lululemon, I will try this on in my next Lulu try on haul that I'm gonna film soon. I'm just waiting on a few more things. It should be up very shortly after this video. I got the Ebda Street long sleeve in a size 4 in Dew Pink, and I'm so excited about it. I love the Ebda Street long sleeves. They're like my uniform at this point. I love them with some leggings, a line joggers, whatever, and I had to have the Dew Pink because I'm obsessed with pink, you know, so she's cute or whatever. All right, last but not least for my Sephora package. Sorry if I seem exhausted in this video. It's literally because I just took 2 exams. Probably lost a bunch of brain cells from doing that, and I'm like really tired now. But I'm excited to be filming, don't you worry. First things first, I got the Peter Thomas Roth 24 karat gold pure luxury lift and firm hydrogel eye patches. Like I said, I've been really into self-care, skincare, facial tools, just, I don't know, stuff like that. Like I have been ice rolling, using face masks, using eye patches, using beauty tools, and I normally don't do that, but I've been really into it because I like the way that I feel when I do it. So I had like a random pair of eye patches that I had never used, and I used them and was like, oh my gosh, like I felt like my makeup like went on like smoother and like better. So I was like, I need to buy some. So I was just scanning the Sephora website and came across these. They are very expensive. I want to say they were like $70, but you get like 30, I think, 30 pairs. I don't know. I'll let you guys know how I like these. Hope they're worth the money because that's crazy. All right, next up, this is actually already out of stock, but it's the Dior Backstage Eye Palette, and this one's in Bronze Neutral 006. I've actually been wanting a Dior Backstage eyeshadow palette for so long, but they're always sold out, and this one was new, and it said like, hurry, only a few left or whatever, so I decided to get it. But oh my gosh, these are stunning. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I'm literally so excited to do my makeup. Like these are all the colors like that I wear when I do eyeshadow. I'm super stoked. Okay, so I got this Color Wow Extra Mystical Shine Spray. I have the hair and body shine spray from Way, I believe. I've had it for a few years and I use it all the time, like on my hair. I don't use it on my body, just use it on my hair. But I really like it, but I did want to try this one because I love Color Wow. I've been using their products for years. So I just wanted to see how this one does. Basically, it just adds shine. If you're a blondie, you know the struggle of keeping your hair like shiny, you know, and like not frizzy and dull looking. So I just wanted to try this out. I'll keep you guys updated. Last but not least, I got the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. My best friend uses this. She loves it. And I've heard a lot of people talk about this, so I'm excited to use it. I don't currently exfoliate. The only exfoliating method I use is when I dermaplane. So, and I honestly don't do that much. So I'm excited to try this. I need to do like an updated favorites video soon. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, click that bell. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen and also listed and linked in the description box below. I'll have all these items linked in the description box below for you guys to shop. And yeah, don't forget to check out Dossier. I'll have a link in the description. Don't forget to use my discount code HannahVictoria10 for 10% off. I love you guys so much, and I will hopefully see you very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.